Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube link not showing thumbnail on the WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid getting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if a YouTube link is not showing a thumbnail on the WhatsApp, there are several possible reasons and solutions. First of all, you have to check the file format. Make sure that the YouTube links file format is supported by the WhatsApp and try converting the file to a different format and uploading it again. Also guys, if the YouTube link is too large and if the YouTube links file size is too large, WhatsApp may not be able to display the thumbnail. So try reducing the image file size by adjusting your image dimensions or the compressions. So if still it not works, try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. So this is how you can easily check the thumbnail of your YouTube. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.